Where to find custom-made Plantation shutters in Toronto. If you're interested in enhancing your large windows with custom-made Plantation shutters in Toronto, there are several reputable providers to consider. Look for companies like Diamond Custom Shutters that specialize in made-to-measure shutters, offering a wide range of materials, styles, and customization options to suit your specific needs. When researching potential providers, be sure to read reviews, check their portfolio of past projects, and inquire about their installation services. This will help you find a reliable partner who can guide you through the entire process, from measuring and design to the final installation. For your information, Diamond Custom Shutters has a 99% rating on Home Stars and many other positive reviews from numerous sources that you can confirm on their website and Home Stars inside the description area of this video. Cost considerations for custom-made Plantation shutters. The cost of custom-made Plantation shutters in Toronto can vary depending on a number of factors, including the size of your windows, the material you choose, and the complexity of the installation. Generally, you can expect to pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per window, with higher-end materials and larger windows typically costing more. While custom-made Plantation shutters may represent a significant investment, the long-term benefits they provide in terms of energy efficiency, light control, and enhanced aesthetic appeal can make them a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. Additionally, some providers may offer financing options or discounts for larger projects, so be sure to explore all available options to find the best value for your budget. Need help on choosing your next window treatment? Contact one of our specialists at Diamond Custom Shutters today at 416-571-3315. Please like, share and subscribe.